Hey YouTube, the Awesome Unboxer here. Today I have the movie Out of the Furnace. This is the Blu-ray digital HD, I guess, release of this. It was only $5 at Big Lots. This is a great movie with Christian Bale and a bunch of other stars in it. From the same director of Crazy Heart, and Leonardo DiCaprio is one of the producers. Really good movie. I've seen it around just the DVD copy for $5, so I held off and I found the Blu-ray with the digital HD combo that I wanted, so I got it right away. So this movie's, I think, came out 2011, 2012 maybe, I don't know. But here's the spine. It's from 20th Century Fox. Here's the back. Special features. 2013. There it is. 2013. About 2 hours long. And there you go. Okay. So let's open it up. I highly recommend this movie. Make sure to take the sticker all the way off. Okay. No, it looks like little tabs broke off. That's okay. I don't really need them anyway. It comes with a digital code, which I am going to redeem. And then here's the Blu-ray itself. Same sort of cover art as the front. Disc looks good. And there you have it, Out of the Furnace, Blu-ray Digital HD. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching.